got the call, I was actually working from home that day. It was a Friday. I knew that it was going to be that day or I'd have to wait until the weekend was over. So I was really anxious waiting for the call, and luckily it came early in the morning. I remember agreeing on the phone. They send you a contract, but I was like, oh, no, like this is fine, like a million, trillion, billion, zillion %. And I remember Arlene, who called me, thought it was hilarious, and I was like, okay, this is a good sign. It was just a cherry on top of a really pretty ice cream cone, I guess, because I was already into Penn, and it's like, okay, now I'm gonna have the scholarship program, and it's a connection to Balsa, and it's been really great. So I was very excited, and such a weight off my shoulders. I would say that her legacy can be seen through every facet of the law school, from our professors to our journals. There's so many Black women. I think all the major journals now are run by Black women, and that I think her dreams haven't been actualized, but they're well on their way. And just thank you. Thank you for going through everything you went through so we could have it a little bit easier. And we can, I don't know, not stand in your light, but not have to experience the shadows that you did.